Hey y'all, Sam here. Most people are damaging their vehicle's paint without even realizing it. Swirl marks, fading, scratches, and dull paint usually come from bad detailing habits, not age. Number 1, automatic brush car washes. Those spinning brushes hold dirt and debris from hundreds of vehicles and drag it right across your paint. Using household towels is another big mistake. Always use premium microfiber towels designed specifically for automotive detailing. Washing in direct sunlight can leave behind water spots, soap streaks, and mineral deposits. Shade is always your friend when detailing. Skipping paint protection is one of the biggest mistakes of all. Wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings help protect your finish from UV rays and road grime. And finally, dirty wash equipment. If your towels and wash mitts are contaminated, you're basically rubbing sandpaper across your paint. Protecting your paint doesn't have to be complicated. You just need the right habits and the right products. No matter what you drive, car, truck, motorcycle, boat, or classic, Chicago Jax Wax has you covered.